Yo, good morning. We back, family. We back again on the Pokey Deers channel. Pack a day, every day, day number 419. It is. And let's see if we can pull a SIR for our Prismatic Master Set. We are trying to collect the whole Master Set of Prismatic Evolutions and trying to get the other 7 SIRs. As you see, I got the SIR Cordinga. But before we get into the video, if you guys need top loaders, sleeves, the whole combinations, I have the tag in the description for Fanatics to get you guys some sleeves, some top loaders to load up your Cordinga hits or any of your great hits for your sets or your cards, period. Go and get you some. Now, let's get back to the video and let's get it. And I said, we're giving away 8 binders giveaway, family. Stay tuned to the end of the video to get the instructions to be a part of the giveaway. Let's go. Ooh, we need these two. Definitely need that Eevee and that Sylveon. Man, I still haven't hit a God pack. Yeah, I would love to hit a God pack. Man, one day we're gonna hit a God pack, family, in Prismatic Evolutions. One day. Hopefully sooner than later. Okay, no God pack today, but it's okay. As long as we get an SIR. EX or something. QR code for the family. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Oh, let's see what we got here today. We got a Roto Stick. We have a Fan Rotom. Hey. Habenberry. We have a Hoop Hoop. Executor, my guy. One of my guys. Explorer Guidance. Ancient. Okay. This Prior. Nice. Mufasa, a little symbol. Ooh, Sylveon, reverse hollow. No freaking way. No. Whoa. What we get? No.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
Let's go. Yes. Woo. Yes, baby. Let's go. We got an SIR. Yeah. Woo. And we got the Vaporeon. Oh my goodness. We gotta sleep this up, family. Holy. Oh my goodness. Yes. Woo. When the light hit the ice, it twinkle-lickless. Yes, sir. We needed this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See that, family? And they say don't open Prismatic. Don't you open Prismatic. You gonna lose. Nah, G. Yeah, you lose some, you win some. It be like that. It really do. But you gotta have faith in the Poke Gods, in the cards, in the TCG family. Oh my goodness. Listen, my hands are shaking, baby. I can't believe that. Oh my goodness. I can't even put the card in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We gotta get that up in there. That is, oh my goodness. And it's clean too. Hold on. Nice. What y'all think? What y'all thinking? Oh my goodness, we just hit a SIR pack of the day. I mean, it's off center. It's heavy. It's heavy to the left. It is heavy to the left, but it's okay. I know there's like a PSA 9. Probably a Beckett 9 too. Oh my goodness, man. I can't believe we just got the Vaporeon, family. We're gonna sleep. Oh my goodness. You gotta get that up in there. Pause. That down there, get that in there, right? I wanna press it up in there, but we, yeah, let's go, family. That's how you do that. That's how you do that there. Shout out to Master P. Those lemon, baby. Now, on Taco Tuesday, family, let's get to the binder. Crazy. You see how that go? Now, family, giving away 8 binders. everything from you see from the pack-a-day challenges, unboxings, booster boxes, ETBs, just anything that we was opening, knockout boxes, been in my Lucario binder, plus more. So like I said, giving away 8 binders. Once the binder is full from the Lucario binder, that's when we will do the giveaway, and the giveaway will be on the weekend because a lot of people tend to be off, and we're going to do it live. So if you guys don't catch the live broadcast, and if you guys win, I will have all my information in the video in the description. So if you guys win your binder, you can contact me and I'll get you your goodies to you. So let's get to it. We're going to move that over there, put our hits right there, they ain't falling down. Now guys will get some trainers. Look, I can't even talk right now. I'm so excited. This is crazy. Wow. You know what I'm saying? Woo-wee. We got EXs. We got Apexes. We got full art. That's how you start. Top of the morning, family. Top of the morning. Top of the world. What y'all know about that? Feel like I'm on top of the world, baby. We got Radiance. Man, I'm showing my age on that song. Go listen to our About It soundtrack. You know what I'm talking about. We got the V Rayquaza. Can't wait for the Rayquaza set. Oh man, the Japanese Rayquaza set do come out with Pitch Black. Is this Friday? So Pitch Black is coming out this Friday, and so is the Japanese version of the Rayquaza set, which is Storm Emerald. I think that's what it's called. We have the shiny Raichu. We have the, oh my goodness, EX Ninetales from 151. We have the rainbow borders. Oh man, different Pokeballs, different promo cards, all that great stuff, family. Charizard Y, I would love to pull the gold one from Ascended Heroes. I hope. And y'all go check that out, family. I'll have the link in my description. If y'all didn't check that video out, what if Pokemon do another Charizard set? But we set a Charizard X like Phantasm Flames, they do Charizard Y. Remember, family, they only Charizard Y card. Remember they said it's only a gold card. Charizard Y still have yet to have an SIR. So y'all go check that video out and let me know in the comment section what y'all think about that. Hype the video too. Appreciate it. Push us in the YouTube algorithm on our way to 2,000 subs, family. We got full arts. We got more EXs. We got more reverse hollows, alt arts, Apexes, Pokeballs, Master Balls. We have items. Look at this. Trainers. We got this Oricorio, full arts. Love this Solomon. Somebody can be very happy. Beautiful Solomon. Solomon is a dog too, if y'all don't know. Man, he's a beast in the game. Baby Squabbles, aka Gengar. Okay, then other trainers. Ethan's Ho-Ho. Yeah, Cynthia's Garchomp. More Pokeballs, Dugong, more promos, EXs, Wigglytuff. More promos. Each binder will get promos because I have 10 of them, so 2 people are going to get extras. We have more Sword and Shield reverse hollows. More Pokeball Fight and Electric, reverse hollows. All that great stuff, family. Different Pokeballs, Leaf Balls, Psychic Ball, Pause, Electric, Milk Tank. Roll out. Come on now. Shout out to Ludacris. Let's go. Man, this is how you start off your morning. You know what I'm saying, family? This is how you started, man. We just got to get 6 more SIRs, family. 6 more, baby. 6 more to EV Evolutions, and we'll have all the evolutions. I have all the EXs, you know what I'm saying? We got all the EXs, evolutions. Now we just got to get all the SIRs. Once we get all the SIRs, baby, woo-wee. I'm going to give y'all an update, too. I'm going to do a video show y'all my prismatic binder, too. It ain't in order, but I have... y'all gonna see what I'm saying. Fire. And we got the Espeon right there. So we have 1 page, 2 page, 2.5. And then once that last page is filled, we'll be doing the giveaway. Now, Salute to all the contestants, all the family members, the whole Poke Squad for making the giveaway list. As far we still have 27 slots left, so don't trip. So if you don't see your name on here, go a little bit slower. You still have time to be a part of the giveaway. So salute. We got the back right here. Check it out. Bam, we got 2 slots left on this board. And we have the rest right here, family. So now, to be a part of the giveaway, if you're new to the family, welcome to the family. We appreciate having you and to the journey. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Hype any video, like any video. Put your name in the comment section. Put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section. Either or, and I'll add your name to the list. And if you're already part of the family, hit that like and hype any video. Put your name in the comment section or your favorite Pokemon in the comment section. And I would gladly add your name to the list in order for the 8 binder giveaway, family. So, and that's how you do it. Man. Ooh, we're gonna set that to the side. Oh man, family, that's crazy. Look at that. Finally got the Vapor. I've been wanting this too. So hey, family, you win some, you lose some. But hey, if you don't open your packs, I mean, granted, you're gonna lose sometimes. And if you do lose, guess what? It's only a matter of time before you win. Trust me on that. Y'all seen it live and direct right there at the Poke Dares channel. Y'all can go back and watch any of my videos. We keep receipts on this channel. So, hey, like I said, gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Man, let's pull some more SIRs tomorrow, family. Hope y'all have a great, productive day. Get to that bag, and I'm gonna see y'all later on. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow as well. Peace. Deuces.